Hey everyone, welcome back to Vick's recipe. Today we're making a delicious, protein-packed breakfast that's as easy as it is tasty. Bananas and eggs. Yes, you heard me right. This combo is going to blow your mind. It's simple, quick, and perfect for when you need something healthy, filling, and flavorful to start your day. All you need are two simple ingredients: ripe bananas and eggs. It's like the dynamic duo of the kitchen, ready to take your taste buds to the next level. All right, let's get started. First, grab yourself one or two ripe banana. You want it to be nice and sweet, like the sunshine in your bowl. Just peel it and mash it up with the egg in a bowl with a fork. Don't worry about making it perfect. A little chunkiness adds texture, and it's going to taste incredible either way. Look at that! You want about half a cup of mashed banana. Next, crack open 2 eggs into another bowl if you want more flavor. Just crack them and let the magic happen. Go ahead and whisk it all together, getting those eggs fully blended with the banana. You're creating the perfect base for our sweet, fluffy, and protein-packed pancake-esque goodness. Now it's time to heat things up. Grab your non-stick pan and add a tiny bit of butter or oil to make sure nothing sticks. Medium heat is the way to go. Now pour that delicious, creamy mixture into the hot pan. Give it a gentle swirl to spread it evenly. Now you're going to want to let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on one side. Don't rush this. Let the heat do its thing. Look at that sizzle. You'll know it's time to flip when the edges start turning golden brown. It should be nice and firm, but soft on the inside. Here we go, guys. Just take a look at this recipe. Don't worry if it's not perfect. This recipe is all about keeping it fun and flavorful. Cook it for another 1 to 2 minutes and bam! You've got yourself a gorgeous golden brown banana egg breakfast. Now here's where you can get creative. Serve it up on a plate and top it with whatever makes your heart sing. More banana slices, a drizzle of honey, some berries, maybe a sprinkle of cinnamon. You do you. And there you have it, a banana and egg recipe that's as simple as it is satisfying. Fluffy, sweet, and packed with protein to keep you going all day long. It's the perfect meal to kickstart your morning. Go ahead, take a bite, and feel the power of this delicious breakfast. So simple, so tasty, and so good for you. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. Happy cooking, and I'll see you next time with more delicious ideas.